Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to speak about a couple of things with you. First of all, how you're watching my channel. I always ask you to subscribe, and this is my request that please subscribe my channel if you're watching my videos and if you're getting any sort of benefit from my videos. And I see a lot of comments coming from you, a lot of learnings you share in your comment section. Fantastic. But 99% of you guys are visiting my channel, but they're not subscribing. So it doesn't help. Why? Because then I'm not able to bring the content with the right collaborations to all of you. So the right information sharing, the right collaboration to get you the right add-ins, the right applications, that is difficult for me. So in that case, I would humbly request you to please subscribe my channel so that number one, you get the right videos at the right time highlighted to you in the notifications. And second important thing is I could collaborate more and bring more of the stuff that you have enjoyed, that you have celebrated, that you have shared with me, that you really liked it. You'll get more of that material in future from me. And while we're talking about collaborations, you've recently seen a Devart, a fantastic add-in, and I'm sharing this video with all of you as well, where I've shared all the content related to their add-ins with the detail. You definitely must go and see that video. But at the same time, while they are celebrating their birthday anniversary, they have shared this coupon with us. So 20% for all of you. Just go and enjoy that. And this is one of the benefits we can get if we are more as a group. So once again, I would recommend you to please subscribe my channel. Share your comments in the comment section about the videos you have seen about Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and other topics as well, what you would like to hear more. And I'll bring more of such content for all of you. With this, I wish you a wonderful rest of the weekend, and I look forward to speak with you and see you all very, very soon. Take care and ta-da.